Hi guys, it's Christy and welcome to my channel. This is the next video in my Build Watch series, and as you can see, I now have siding that's been placed on the home. So here's the side and front elevation. You can see the shaker at the top and the vinyl siding that's been placed. And this happened probably over a 2-day period. They got started one day, and by the end of the second day, this is where we were. So these are also vinyl shutters, and I have decided that I do not like the shutters. I do like the color, but I don't like the style. So I guess I'll wait to see if they grow on me. So far, no luck. But anyway, here's the back of the home with the vinyl siding. And again, this is the front porch area. And the top of the porch, you can actually see the cutouts up there for the 2 porch lights that would be placed. The front columns also have been wrapped, and there are those lovely shutters again. So probably a couple of days later, the insulation had been started, and you can also see that the drywall has now been delivered. I think insulation is just about complete, probably complete already by now, and drywall is going up, so that will be the next video in this series. And here is all of the lovely insulation that's been placed in the roof of the garage, or the ceiling of the garage. And you can see there's no insulation in the second bay. There's no room above that second garage. This is the interior by the front door, and you can see all the insulation here. And if you're wondering what those green X's are on some of the framing posts there, check out my prior video where I detailed my home inspection, and I told you all about what those green X's mean on the framing post you see there. I actually had what was referred to as a pre-drywall inspection, which is pretty common for new construction homes. So check out that video if you haven't already. Here's more of the insulation, and you can also see the drywall that's been delivered and is sitting in pretty much every room and ready to go. Not too much you can really say about insulation, but I will make sure that you guys see everything. Here's even more in the kitchen. And here is the great room. Actually, looks like just about all of it has been done and is ready to go for drywall. Here's a stairwell, so heading upstairs, the insulation has been placed here as well. Not quite sure what the difference is, if any, in the pink and the brown insulation. To me, the brown just looks a little dirty or used, and the pink is just more appealing. But I guess it really doesn't matter. Once the drywall goes up, I'll have no idea what's behind it, and as long as it's doing its job, I guess it really doesn't matter. So this is the upstairs loft and the bedrooms. All the insulation is done here. So we're moving right along. There's a drywall. So next stop will be the hanging of the drywall. So I will make sure to post that video soon, and thank you guys as always for watching.